Hello everyone, here in the lecture 2 of the research methodology, we are discussing objectives of research. So basically what can be the target to do to accomplish any research is called the objective. Basically what is the intent to do to accomplish any research work, right? So basically we can group them on the following perspective of whether it is exploratory or formulative, or it is descriptive, or it is diagnostic, or it is hypothesis. So basically the first objective of research can be exploratory or it may be formulative. It means that for achieving any new information, for gathering new information about the task, about the work which is already being there. It means that some original work is already in there, but we want to upgrade it, we want to improve it by adding some new height, we want to explore something new inside, depth into it. That is called as one of the objective, that is exploratory objective of the research, also called as formulative. The second one is descriptive research study. So basically, let's say if we want to do any research work based on lots and lots and lots of information, and we want to figure out each and every character of variable that what are going to play very important role in it, right? So let's say if we are working on some materials, then how much chemicals are there in that, and we can do such kind of things, then we can portray the characteristics of every individual character in that research. That is called as descriptive. It means that it is fully consist of information, information, and information. So much data should be there. And if our information, if our research studies completely revolve around so much information and data, so we can say them that is a kind of descriptive research study. Third one is diagnostic. It means that if we are doing research work where particular events are occurring, let's say some events are occurring, so we are interested in the frequency of that events. We are interested that how much frequency of that particular event, and our results will also configure about that frequency, based on that frequency, so that we can derive out something in the kind of pattern of things. That is called as diagnostic research. Just like in medical sciences, you can understood that we want to figure out the frequency of some characteristics or some symptoms, and we are going to study over them. Such kind of studies is called as diagnostic research studies. Basically, it is based on frequency of events that is occurring time to time, and we are interested on that. The next one is hypothesis kind of research study. Basically, here we we by observing the data, by observing the information, by analyzing the particular pattern and things, we our own generate the idea, and we want to make that idea as a concept, universal concept, right? So to make a hypothesis based on the information available and to relate it with the logical things, right? To relate it with a kind of conceptual thing, that if this is so, then this is so. So such kind of things, which is basically based on hypothesis, means that we are having information, and we are making our generalizations using the information present. Such kind of testing research studies called as hypothesis testing research studies. So basically, objectives of any researcher can be explorative, or it can be formulative, it can be descriptive, it can be domestic, or it can be hypothetical, right? So these are the several objectives of research. So guys, do like this video. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss about the motivation behind research. So I hope these lectures of research methodologies are going to be useful for you. Further, if you want some improvement, further if you want some kind of suggestions if you are having, then put it in the comment section. We'll try to analyze them and try to make the content on that. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.